बाबू, आप सोचते होंगे कि मैं बोलता हूँ। भैया देखो, मैं और नरेंद्र और वीरेंद्र एक ही हैं। हम दोनों अंतर्यामी हैं, ब्रह्मांड के एक सदस्य हैं, ब्रह्म के पुत्र हैं। आपने जैसे डेटा पढ़ा है, यू आर द चाइल्ड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स लाइक ट्रीज एंड स्टार्स एंड यू हैव राइट टू बी हियर वेदर और नॉट इट इज क्लियर टू यू। द यूनिवर्स इज अनफोल्डिंग एज शुड, therefore be at peace with God, whatever conceive him to be, and whatever your labor and aspirations in the noisy confusion of life, keep with your soul. With all its shame, tragedy and broken dreams, it's still a beautiful world. Be cheerful and strive to be happy. देखो, इतना पढ़ाई किया हूँ ना कि मुझे सब पता चल गया। तो जब मैं बोलता हूँ ना तो मेरा फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच करता है ब्रह्मांड से। मैं ब्रह्मांड की बात बोलता हूँ। तो अभी मैं क्या बोलने जा रहा था, नरेंद्र और वीरेंद्र एक है, क्योंकि हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते। याद रखना, जब हम अपने जीवन को, अपने मस्तिष्क की शक्ति को ब्रह्मांड से जोड़ देता हूँ ना, तो उसकी आज्ञा से हम सब कुछ करते हैं। दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन। क्या समझे आप?
Yes.
आपकी जो माइंड की सोचने की फ्रीक्वेंसी है, द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ योर थिंग्स, थॉट गेट्स कनेक्टेड विद यूनिवर्स. Then universe starts supplying with information. That's why Einstein and all the scientists could discover some mysterious thing of the universe. Charles Darwin investigated, then he could know theory of evolution. So Narendra and Virendra, Narendra Modi and Virendra Yogi and Adityanath, we are that spiritual force. Spiritual force means that scientific man. We connect our mind with truth. What?
The truth.
Buddha connected his mind with truth. That is universal force.
Yes.
Then we do not speak.
Yes.
Whatever I am speaking, I give you guarantee, Satyanarayana. I don't know. Because what I am speaking, it can be only verified by the wisest, whether I am telling right or wrong. Now I tell you, why Narendra and Virendra is saying. Once you know, even your GM and or PM told Sriram Lab, see, he is telling he is God. He is not telling he is God. With our thought, we are guided by the universal forces. If we are having evil thought, the evil forces of the universe will push us to the hell. If we are guided with the positive thought, the supreme powerful purity of thought will push us to the heaven. You understand?
Yes.
So it is our thinking which governs our life. It is a great mysterious psychological thing. You become what you think about. What you are is by thought controlled and directed. You are the master of your fate and you are the captain of your soul. Nobody understands that. Narendra Modi connects himself with the universe. Why he become a stoic? Why he don't have urge for sex and all this, greed and all? Of course he like good clothes. What is wrong about it? He covers his body, his naked body, he is covered with some clothes. What is wrong about it? Good clothes or bad clothes? He is a prime minister, he is a chief minister. Anybody can have a good clothes. Correct or not?
Yes.
And see, I have a clothes given to me by Sunil. He has worn it 10 years. And then the 11th year I am wearing. Look at this. This is gift of Sunil. 10-year-old youth clothes. So I am happy. So what is wrong about it? You can criticize me. Why are you wearing Sunil clothes? And I like it. I have no clothes. He gave me. It is good. I recovered. See my confidence. Anybody can tell I am wearing 10-year used t-shirt. But one my friend told. He is also connected to the universe. Annamalai. The BJP, one of the great IPS officers from Tamil Nadu, he told I am a poor man. To be poor is not a bad thing. But to be a corrupt man, to be a liar, to be a cheat, to be ignorant, to be indolent, to be thoughtless, to be useless, to be animal passion, cattle is a shame. You are born as a human being, but you are behaving like a Machiavelli. Fools! What is wrong about this? Good clothes, it looks so nice. I wear this with pleasure. I can't afford. Am I right or wrong? Tell me, boy. Oh, good boy. So I was talking to you, sir. See how happy we are together. Yogi Narendra and Yogi Virendra, they are similar because once we connect ourselves with the universe, the universal forces guide us and guide us to the right track and we follow that track. You know the story he told when he went to Kashi. He told, नो मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, नो मैं कुछ भेजा है, गंगा मैया ने मुझे बुलाया. Because he is a fanatic. What he is?
Fanatic.
He is not a scientist like me. He believes in God. What he believes?
Believes
He
in
believes
God.
in Ram, he believes in Krishna, he believes in Ganga Maya. For Ganga is just a river for me. Ram was just a man, good man with good thought. Krishna was a very clever man. Chanakya was a very intelligent man. I'm a scientist, man. I can't be like Modi. He's a fool. He's an orthodox conservative Hindu. What is? I'm like Nehru. Bright man, intelligent man, a scientist. Scientists don't believe in orthodox. What Gaya Maya will call? Tell me. But his mind is tuned to like that. He believes Ganga is Maya. What is he? Ram is Bhagwan. See his mental distortion. Because he thinks like that, so he like that. But power comes. You understand? And see what I tell you. When I speak like a bomb. You see, my every word is guided by the universal force. You will say, hey, you are not biological. He telling he is not biological. He is a god. When his critics, Rahul Gandhi said, he is not human. He is divine. These fools don't know what he is talking. To judge somebody or to judge somebody broken bones, you need X-rays. But you put a light, can you detect which part of the bone is broken? These fools, Rahul and his gang, bloody all these petty political parties, Kesari, Akhilesh, Tejasvi, Rahul, they are bloody not even like a dog. Dog is very loyal. They are criminals. They are criminals. And public is fool. They don't know what he is talking. See, when I am talking, they don't know what I am talking. Because I am telling the truth, they don't know. To understand the truth, you should have a receptive power to understand truth. You understand? They never learn truth. What do you know? Tell me. What Rahul knows about life? What Rahul knows about life? What Sunil knows about life? What life he has? Bourgeois life, aristocrat life, prince life. That's why I tell my best friend. Ghulam Nabi Azad. He said this man is going for election canvassing. He stays in a 5-star hotel. Where he stays?
5-star.
He was born in 5-star hotel. What he knows about Indian politics, what he knows about life. He is force-blooded to be a political leader. I tell you so many times, there are so many good people coming from poor background, like Annamalai, or like even Narendra Modi, a tea seller's son. He is son of a maid servant, you know that. As so many poor ladies go home to home, bring the dirty food which were people rejected in the night and then they distribute the family. Poor people, right? India is still that poor. Now Narendra Modi has changed. Nobody is eating other rejected food remnants of the night. See what poor people earlier used to do. Even my mother could not eat 7 days food when I was in the womb. Now India has changed. So see, what is the similarity between Narendra and Virendra? He is Orthodox Hindu. I am a scientist like Einstein, Newton. I know the scientific approach, but truth is same. We do not do anything. Our life is guided by our thinking. You understand?
Yes.
Talk, man.
Yes.
Speak out loudly, man.
Our life is guided by the thinking.
Because he is so spiritual. He is a spiritual man. He has absolute control on his sexual urge. He has absolute control on his anger. He is boiling inside, but he never talks. Because he was asked. All are telling you are chore, you are chamar, you are badmash, your mother is bitch, your father was a thief. Did you have, I get pain, but what I can do? I am a prime minister. I have to be responsible. See, I have to be like a prime minister. I have not to pay attention to all these barking dogs, you know. See, everybody feel bad. Anna? See what happens, there is a man called Satyendra Tagore, local Bibinagar, Satyendra Tagore. There is also a man, he was tortured by his wife so much, so he used to go to all the religious places and pray, God, please help me, I should lose my... It is not his fault. Shared by Shakespeare. If you pinch somebody, if you hurt somebody, if you cut somebody, blood will come, heart will bleed. And what Chanakya said? What Chanakya said? if you physically cut somebody, only physical injury is there. But if somebody is using the tongue and hurting your sentiments, your whole life get poisoned and polluted. You get hurt, your spirit is hurt, your mind is hurt, you become so upset, you know. So that poor man was running, why I am angry? Arey, you are not angry. You are not angry. Somebody is making you mad. And you are a wise man that you don't want to be mad. That's why you are begging, because you don't have your self-control. ये काशी वाले हनुमान जी और भगवान जी कोई नहीं बचाएंगे तुम्हें. You are only your savior. And what is the solution? Tell me. You tell me solution. If somebody is torturing you so much, what you should do? Get rid. नमस्ते बोल के चले जाओ. सांप को पालोगे, काटेगा कि नहीं?
काटेगा.
हमारे गुरुजी चाणक्य बोले, सांप तभी काटेगा जब तुम्हारी मृत्यु आएगी. मरेगा तो किसी कारण से मरेगा ना. नेचुरल डेथ होगा वो भी है. 100 साल के बाद 200 साल तो मर जाएगा. एक दिन मरना है आदमी को, वो भी एक कारण है. ओल्ड एज हो गए मर. लेकिन किसी को कम लाइफ है तो सांप काटेगा, ट्रक तोड़ेगा. मिस्त्री मर गया है, कार एक्सीडेंट. इवन मर्सिडीज बेंच वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट कार नहीं बचा, 10 करोड़ का था. प्रिंस डायना मर गई, 20 करोड़, 25 करोड़, 10 करोड़, आई डोंट नो. तो बेस्ट मर्सिडीज बेंच वो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ जा रही थी, क्रैश करवा दिया. सुना कॉन्स्पिरेसी, क्योंकि प्रिंस चार्ल्स की वाइफ थी ना, और कोई बहुत बड़ा एक शेख था, उसके साथ रोमांस चल रहा था. उसको 2 बच्चे थे. उसको प्रिंस चार्ल्स के 2 बेटे थे ना उस औरत से. तो सर, आप हो या छोटे हो या बड़े हो, मोदी हो या ट्रंप हो, पुतिन हो या जेलेंस्की हो, नितिन यानी हो या नित्यानंद गोस्वामी हो, मोदी हो या आदित्यनाथ हो, सब मनुष्य, सब दुखी होता है. सब दुखी है. लेकिन समझदार क्या आता है? महादेव की तरह जहर पी के जीता है, जीना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो समझदार है ना. वो तूफान खड़ा नहीं करता. अब देखिए, वो एक बेवकूफ़ औरत रात में फुलटा फुलटा बोल रही है. हमारा रात नींद ही नहीं आया. मैं बहुत सेंटिमेंट, मैं धर्मात्मा हूँ भाई. अब पूछिए आप क्या है? अब क्या है? बोलो भाई. मैं
अब क्या है?
मैं बुद्ध हूँ, लेकिन वो क्षमता नहीं है मुझे उतना बर्दाश्त करने की. बुद्ध बोलते थे, अरे तुम जो बोले हम नहीं लिए, लेकिन वो मेरे को आ जाता है ज़बरदस्ती. वो दाद लाद देता है, मेरे को आ जाता है वो जहर. मैं डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाता हूँ, उतना हमको क्षमता नहीं है भाई महादेव की तरह. समझ रहे हैं सर? इसीलिए बता रहा हूँ कि मोदी और हम में यही अंतर है कि हम लोग नॉन बायोलॉजिकल नहीं है, लेकिन हम लोग जो बोलते हैं, जो करते हैं ना, सत्य के आधारित होता है. इसीलिए वो सच ही है. हम आप कुछ नहीं करते. बोलो, आपका एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा. आप इतना पढ़े हो, आपको बताना पड़ेगा. हम आप जो करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं, कहाँ से आता है वो सिग्नल, क्यों हम बिहेव करते हैं, क्यों ऐसी बातें बोलते हैं. बोलिए. मैं बोला ना, मोदी बोलता है भगवान की तरफ से बुलावा आया. कहाँ से आया? कहाँ से आया?
भगवान से तरफ नहीं, यूनिवर्सल कॉन्शियस.
अरे वही भगवान बोलता है, वो तो नहीं बोलता हमारी तरह साइंटिस्ट भाई.
Yes, yes.
वो कभी यूनिवर्सल कॉन्शियस बात करता है क्या?
Yes,
वो तो बोलता है गंगा मैया बुलाया. उसके लिए वही भगवान है. गंगा माता है उसके लिए. क्या है?
गंगा माता है.
अब बताओ, गंगा माता को किसने, वो 14 की साल उसको पैदा किया मोदी को? वो नदी नदी है भाई. समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
समझ में आ रहा है.
अरे मैं साइंटिस्ट हूँ भाई. उसके लिए सब भगवान है. और मेरे लिए क्या है? दिमाग है. प्राणी अपने प्रभु से पूछे किस विधि पाऊ तो है, प्रभु कहे तू मन को पाले पा जाएगा मोहे. मेरे पास दिमाग है भाई. मैं दिमाग का गेम खेलता हूँ. अरे कौन है ऐसा जो बोलता है राम बेकार साला एक आदमी, काबिल आदमी, सीख उसके चरणों से. कृष्ण चालाक समझदार इंटेलिजेंट, सीख उसके गुण क्या थे. तो क्या कृष्णा कृष्णा रामा राम, क्या रे पागल साले. अरे उसका गुण सीख. वो लोग महान व्यक्ति थे, आदमी थे. और हिंदू धर्म में जानते हो क्या, हर व्यक्ति में क्षमता है कि भगवान बने. भगवान का मतलब ज्ञानी, भगवान का मतलब
ज्ञानी.
वो लोग ज्ञानी थे भाई. तो ज्ञान क्या था उनका, वो तो सीखता नहीं. और आदमी का वो मूर्ति लाके सूर्य नमस्कार कर रहे हैं, देखो हंस कर रहे हैं. क्या साला ये बच्चों का खेल. आपको समझ में आ गया? रोम शांति चलिए.